Hi guys, welcome back to Astrophotography Quest. In today's video, we're going to be talking about filters. Oh, that's upside down. Anyways, today we're going to be talking about filters and why they can have a huge impact on your images, depending on which filter you get, of course. So first, let's talk broadband filters. Broadband filters like the Optolong L Pro are essential, especially if you live in a light polluted sky like me. That's because they allow you to take long exposures to pull out very faint detail. These filters are best used for things like galaxies, star clusters, and some nebulae. Targets such as emission nebulae are better used with a narrowband filter, but we'll get into that next. The purpose of having a light pollution filter is to help get rid of washout caused by taking long exposures in a light polluted site. The main problem with light pollution filters is that they can cause something called vignetting, and vignetting is like a big round circle around the image, and it's pretty hard to fix in post-processing unless of course you have something like PixInsight, which can automatically remove it for you, but it doesn't always do the best job, just note that. Now for most of you, I would recommend the Optolong L Pro for deep sky astrophotography, and this is because the Optolong L Pro can preserve details pretty well, but still at the same time block out that crazy light pollution that nobody wants. Man, I need a dark sight. Alright, let's talk narrowband filters. Now, especially for emission nebulae, I love narrowband filters. So, for example, right here, I have the astronomic, oops, it's upside down again. So I have the astronomic H-alpha filter 6nm. It's awesome. It basically will allow all the emission nebulae to come through while blocking out most other light wavelengths. So narrowband filters like the astronomic 6nm H-alpha are very good filters for astrophotography emission nebulae. Now, in order to actually use one of these filters, it might be hard because oftentimes you'll have trouble seeing stars through live view and stuff like that. So I would recommend, if you don't have an extreme amount of light pollution, I'd recommend going for like the 12nm because they're usually a lot better for their price anyway, and they're also a lot better for seeing stars through live view. Personally, I got the 6nm H-alpha, and that's only because I'm in a Bortle 7, Bortle 8, a very heavy light polluted sky. But I will say, this is the filter that improved my images drastically. Things like Orion Nebula, not so much, but it helped, but not so much. So I recommend this for emission nebulae and not really galaxies. So if you're getting a filter for galaxies, I would recommend a filter like the light pollution filter from Optolong. On the other hand, if you're looking more for the emission nebulae and just wanted to make it pop more and make it amazing looking if you're in a light polluted site, then I would go for filters like the astronomic 6nm H-alpha. Or if you're in a less light polluted site and want to see stars through live view, I'd go for an astronomic 12nm H-alpha. Alright guys, that's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a thumbs up, and if you like my content, please subscribe. And also, a huge thank you to Eric for helping me come up with this video idea. Alright, thanks for watching, and clear skies. Until next time.